Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY and the Sweetcrispy. Both promise to deliver a quick supply of ice for your home, office, or parties. We'll dive into their features, performance, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99.99, while the Sweetcrispy model is significantly cheaper at $69.99. This makes the Sweetcrispy a more budget-friendly option for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. In terms of noise level, the AGLUCKY ice maker operates at a standard noise level, which some users have reported as noticeable. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy is advertised to operate under 40 decibels, making it an excellent choice for quiet environments like offices or RVs. When comparing size, the AGLUCKY model has a larger footprint with dimensions of 12.6 inches in height and 12.3 inches in depth, making it less portable. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy is more compact at 11.4 inches in height and 10.6 inches in depth, making it easier to transport and fit into smaller spaces. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Sweetcrispy ice makers offer impressive features and performance. The Sweetcrispy stands out for its affordability and quiet operation, making it ideal for those on a budget or in need of a portable solution. Meanwhile, the AGLUCKY may appeal to users looking for a more robust appliance with a professional finish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.